Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a vlog. I will show you guys bits and pieces of my day, of how everything is going, and it's only a few weeks until the wedding, and my room is kind of a mess. I'm here to organize everything, so please don't mind that. And yeah, I'll show you guys how my day goes. And also, Kama Ayurveda is launching their new range called Moringa Oil range, so we are also going to go to the store to check out the new range. And as you guys know, there's only a couple of weeks left, and because of the pollution and this winter, my skin is sort of dry, and I'm looking to get back that glow. So we're going to try out their Moringa range. And as you guys might already know, Kama Ayurveda has some amazing products, especially for bridal skincare or even generally for skincare essentials. So we're going to go there to the store as well. Kama Ayurveda recently launched this Organic Moringa Oil, and this is actually extracted from the seeds of drumstick, and this actually helps us fight pollution, and it also helps keep the skin hydrated and nourished, helps fight aging and blemishes, wrinkles and fine lines. So this is really helpful. So I'm pretty excited to try this product, and it has a high concentration of oleic acid, which provides nourishment, and it helps heal dry skin and dull skin. I'm sure winter has done that to all of us, and especially with the wedding coming up, I am really looking forward to trying this one. And the antioxidants and vitamin E and A help restore skin's protective barrier, and they strengthen it against pollution and other environmental, aggressors. This actually is for face and body. So at the store, I actually tried a demo. So I wanted to see how the oil feels. So you can gently massage it into the skin and leave it for about 30 minutes, and then you can wash it off. They also have the other range of products like the cleansing foam, and then the toner, and also the Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Serum, which is pretty famous. So we can do the rest of the skincare routine that way. So that was about Kama Ayurveda's new launch. So I'll leave the link for this Moringa oil in the description box. Do check it out. These are some dupattas which I got for return gifts. These, as you can tell, are from Pochampalli. This is a gorgeous Pochampalli dupatta, and this one is a pattu langa. You will see more on my Telugu channel. I am doing a whole video on the Pochampalli shopping that we did, so that you can see what all options you can find in Pochampalli, either for pettubadi, like return gifts, or just for yourself. These I got from Nursing. Nursing surprisingly has very beautiful dupattas and saris, and even pattu saris. So these are the potli bags that I'm using to put these dupattas. Again, surprisingly fits really well. These are from Begum Bazaar. These are some more dupattas for return gifts. This is the potli bag, and I put the dupattas in this. This is the simple wedding invitation that I've done. These are my personal cards. They are from this place in Amirpet. You'll have a lot of them on Instagram too. You can find something for personal cards. I didn't have much time to actually get something custom made, and I quite like this one, so I went with this. And this is a potli bag which I'm doing. So these are the dupattas which I'm giving some of my close friends, and yeah, I have like everything else here. Hey everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel, and I'm heading to an event by Instagram. So I'm on the way currently, and I have a lot of other things pending, and it's only a couple of weeks to go for the wedding, but I really wanted to attend this event, so I'm heading there right now. And also I'll be vlogging and showing you guys around, and also my wedding invites are here, right here, and there's a bunch of other things which I'm doing, so I'll just show you guys all that. we are here in Charminar. I came to pick up some bangles and blouse pieces, and I'm having this amazing mango juice from Milan Food Center. If you're here in Charminar, you have to check it out. And we are near the High Court right now. And yeah, we'll finish up shopping here in Charminar. And as you can see, I'm already like dead. I look like a piece of oil. So I'll end the vlog here, and stay tuned for more updates on wedding shopping and all the other videos. And also do check out Kama Ayurveda's new range. It's called the Moringa range, and that's the one that I was trying earlier. So do check out that range. I'll leave the links in the description box for the products, and let me know if you'd like to see like a detailed review later. I'll do that as well. And stay tuned for other videos. I'll see you guys in the next video, and follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel. I have been posting videos there as well related to wedding shopping and other vlogs. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.